firm, you serve as a go-between for suppliers and buyers, selling goods without actually keeping stock. Learning how to generate money through dropshipping can be a successful endeavor if done properly, especially as the need for e-commerce keeps rising. We'll lay out a thorough step-by-step plan in this post to assist you in starting and running a successful dropshipping business. Step 1. Find your niche. Finding a lucrative specialty is essential to the success of your dropshipping business. Conduct in-depth market research to identify goods that are in high demand and have low saturation. When choosing a niche, take into account your knowledge, passion, and hobbies because these will keep you interested and motivated in your business. Step 2. Choose reliable suppliers. Find vendors with a good reputation who provide dependable shipping and high-quality goods. Popular dropshipping websites like Oberlo, Salehu, and AliExpress are excellent resources for finding a variety of providers. Verify supplier ratings and reviews to be sure they have a solid track record of on-time deliveries and high-quality products. Step 3. Set up an e-commerce store. Use an e-commerce platform like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce to build your online store. Choose a theme that fits your specialty and is user-friendly and adjustable. As more people shop online using their smartphones, be sure your website is responsive to mobile devices. Step 4. Product selection and pricing. Create a product list that focuses on desirable, niche-specific goods of the highest caliber. Customers may become overwhelmed if your store has too many things, so try to limit this. Consider product costs, delivery costs, and your target profit margin when setting prices to be both competitive and profitable. Step 5. Optimize product descriptions and images. Create descriptions of the products that are persuasive and compelling, highlighting their features and benefits. Utilize top-notch pictures to display the products from various perspectives. Your listing's visual attractiveness and level of detail will influence how likely customers are to make a purchase. Step 6. Implement effective marketing strategies. A successful marketing strategy is essential to dropshipping success. To increase traffic to your store, make use of a variety of marketing platforms, including social media, SEO, content marketing, and email marketing. Build a strong brand identity and interact with your target market to inspire trust and adherence. Step 7. Customer service is key. Building a successful dropshipping business requires providing outstanding customer care. Customers should receive timely responses to their questions and concerns, as well as effective handling of returns and refunds. Positive testimonials and word-of-mouth referrals can have a big impact on your company's expansion. Step 8. Monitor and analyze performance. Utilize analytical tools like Google Analytics to frequently assess the performance of your store. To find opportunities for improvement, monitor sales, traffic, conversion rates, and other important metrics. Utilize the information to continually improve your product offers and marketing methods. Step 9. Scale your business. Consider extending your product line or investigating other markets once you've established a lucrative dropshipping business model. To increase your customer base, you can also look into working with influencers or comparable firms. Conclusion. For budding entrepreneurs looking to launch an online business, dropshipping offers a realistic and accessible possibility. Laying a solid foundation for your dropshipping business is possible if you pay close attention to detail and follow the step-by-step instructions. Remember that your long-term success in the cutthroat world of e-commerce will depend on your capacity for continual learning, agility, and a customer-centric mindset. Thank you for watching this video.